Hi, I'm Chuan from OM Business Team, and I'm going to share with you 8 digital marketing trends in 2022 that you have to take note of to help you better prepare for your digital marketing campaigns. Let's get started. As we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has propelled the rate of digitalization exponentially. With a shift into a new norm, it is important for marketers to be aware of the change in consumer behaviors in order to adapt their marketing strategies accordingly. Trend number 1, visual search. Simply upload an image onto the search engine and relevant results will appear. It makes use of image recognition technology to identify the upload. Visual search is very relevant and useful for e-commerce businesses as they rely heavily on product visuals. In order to optimize your visual search, you have to optimize your image SEO, which will help to rank in Google search engine. Here are the 4 tips on how you can do that. Firstly, include alternative text to your image. Alternative text are text that describe your image in case of the image fails to load. And it also helps search engine to perceive the context and meaning of an image. Secondly, use descriptive file names relevant to your images to create context and gain wider outreach. Thirdly, have an image sitemap to help Google identify, crawl and index your image, which will help to increase the visibility on search engines. Lastly, use appropriate image size and file types for your website to speed up loading time. Trend number 2, shoppable posts. Shoppable posts are like regular social media posts, but it has an additional feature of display products being tagged and linked to the seller's website. This feature allows users to add to cart and make purchases conveniently, creating a seamless customer journey experience. And do you know that almost 25% of 16 to 64 years old are searching for products on social media? So having a presence on social media, especially for e-commerce businesses, is crucial. Here are the 3 tips to optimize your shoppable posts on social media. Firstly, collaborate with influencers to tap on their existing fanbase. Have you ever discovered a product or made a purchase based on an influencer's recommendation? I know I do. Secondly, use situational marketing for greater relevance. Situational marketing is drawing attention to a product or service with the use of popular events and trends. An example is KFC censoring its slogan "Finger Licking Good" due to the pandemic, which is a situation that is relatable to everyone in the world. Lastly, analyze your data on your shoppable posts to gain insights on consumer behavior to optimize your future posts. Trend number 3, gamification, is the use of video game elements for digital marketing. This is a great way to engage and interact with your customers, which will help to create a greater top-of-mind recall. Here are the 4 tips to optimize your gamification campaigns. Firstly, ensure that your game mechanics are simple and easy to follow. Secondly, inform your customers of their progress to keep them motivated throughout the game. Thirdly, ensure that the rewards are attractive and something consumers would want to win. Lastly, focus on viable long-term game plans to avoid the fizzling out of your gamification campaign when it has just begun. You will not want your campaigns to die down after a few days of launch. So it is very important to plan the campaign that will create lasting buzz among your followers. Trend number 4, marketing automation is the use of software to automate digital marketing activities. It helps to enhance efficiency by reducing the manpower and time spent on repetitive tasks, as well as eliminating human errors. Automation also helps in providing greater customer service through personalization, such as promotions during birthday months. Here are some ways that you can use marketing automation for your digital marketing campaigns. After running your digital marketing ads, you can build your email list by automating the process with the use of tools such as MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and HubSpot, just to name a few. From the email list that you have built, you can segment your contact list according to the behavior, priority, and needs. This allows you to strategize your email marketing campaign to your right target audience with the right message. Trend number 5, chatbots and AI virtual assistant. Chatbots automatically provide answers to a list of preset questions. On the other hand, AI virtual assistants have advanced natural language understanding and artificial emotional intelligence. This enables them to understand natural language commands and having a higher tendency to answer questions that are not preset. This is why companies are heavily reliant on chatbots and AI virtual assistants to help with the daily operations. Some of the ways to optimize chatbots and AI virtual assistants for your businesses are creating a chatbot or AI virtual assistant that aligns with your brand's identity and images from the appearance to tone of voice. Introducing wait time in between messages so as not to overwhelm your customers. Ensuring that responses are relevant to the queries asked. offering personalized messages such as your customer's name or recommendations for certain products based on the data you have collected. Trend number 6, user-generated content, also known as UGC. It is the content of a particular brand that is created and shared by consumers on their own accord. Have you ever used a product so good that you will recommend it to your friends around you? That is word of mouth. UGC is similar to that, but the sharing is done in the digital realm. As it is voluntarily created without any hidden biases or agenda, UGC is perceived to be very credible. But do not stop there. You can further optimize user-generated content for your businesses by resharing the content on your own platform, generating more UGC by offering rewards and incentives for content submissions, engaging with UGC by liking or commenting to show that you listen to your consumers, which in turn encourages more consumer interactions with your brand. And lastly, setting goals and measuring results to determine how well your digital marketing strategy influences UGC. Trend number 7, content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and sharing materials online such as videos, blogs, and social media posts. It is the driving force behind all digital marketing campaigns including SEO, pay-per-click advertising, and social media marketing. Good content not only helps with the technical aspects of the digital marketing, but it also provides your customers with useful information, showcasing your expertise on topics related to your industry. Here are the 4 ways to build your content marketing strategy. Curate relevant content by conducting research and understanding your customers. For your SEO campaigns, you can create comprehensive content that contains valuable information for your customers. Google prefers content-rich sites, and this also allows you to insert necessary keywords which contributes to better rankings on search engines. Go for multimedia content including the use of videos, infographics, and images to make your content more interesting, digestible, and shareable on social media. Utilize social media to get greater visibility and outreach in a more cost-effective manner. Trend number 8, mobile-first design. Almost everyone in the world owns a smartphone. Did you know that 70% of the media time is spent on smartphone? That being said, it is not surprising that your digital assets being mobile-friendly is a crucial factor. This includes the user interface as well as the user experience of your digital assets. These are the 4 tips you should take note of when optimizing your digital assets for mobile users. Use a responsive web design so that content is translated well across all devices. Create content specific to mobile. For example, start a summary of what your content will be about. Utilize short paragraphs, include headers and subheaders. All this enables easy reading on mobile devices. Optimize your digital asset on social media by taking note of the size requirements when preparing your creatives. Have bold and consistent CTAs to help users locate them easily. You can start planning how you should integrate these trends into your next digital marketing campaigns to fully maximize digital marketing in 2022. Since trends are constantly changing, it is important to be updated to stay relevant and evolve together with the new trends. Subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing related videos, and if you find this video helpful, do click on the like button and share this video. If you have any topics you would like to learn more about, comment below and let us know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.